It's super rainy and gross out right now, which kind of sucks. And while I should be packing for college, I'm gonna make a dress instead. I have this pattern, this cute little dress. I think you need like 5 yards for this. Yeah, I need about 5 yards for this. I think I have 4. Let me show you the fabric. Hold on, don't go nowhere. Hold on. This is the fabric that I have. It's like a little picnic blanket. Isn't that so cute? Yeah. I mean, anyway. All right, let's do this.
Of course, we have to say hi to Polly because she's my little assistant and I love her so much. And I laid out the fabric, looked at the pattern, and realized just how much cutting that this was gonna be.
It's gonna be so much cutting. It's gonna be so much. Oh my gosh.
2 hours later.
All of the pattern pieces are now cut out, and now I just gotta lay them out on the fabric and cut them out again. I love sewing.
I don't know if anybody else has this issue when they're trying to work, if they have like a pet or something. Polly will just not leave me alone. She'll sit on the fabric, she'll do just stupid shit like this. So here's a montage of Polly being obnoxious.
Alright, yesterday and last night I cut out the pattern pieces out of the fabric, and I'm really surprised that I had enough fabric to actually do it. I mean, it was really hard to try to like fit them on, but I figured it out, and now we're just gonna pin it together and hopefully sew today. So, yay!
This is the pattern pieces all cut out and pinned together and ready for sewing. And of course, Polly.
Good morning. I sewed the whole thing together. Lovely. It's see-through, first of all, so I need to make a lining. I need to iron it and all that, but it's so close to not fitting. And I asked on my Instagram what I should do, and I got a lot of people saying to do a lace-up back. The lining is finally pinned together. I'm really tired. So I'm gonna sew it together and hopefully attach it to the shell today. I've just been watching With Wendy on repeat in the background just to push me through. So let's sew. Now the lining is done, and it took me the entirety of the shell and until the last panel of the lining to figure out that I was using the wrong stitch. Whoops.
Look just how nice this edge is when it's ironed down. You kidding me? Super stoked about that. And then I proceeded to make individual loops for this lace-up back, and this was awful. I don't know why. I spent so much time cutting out these small strips. They're so small you can't even see it when I'm sewing it. And I kid you not, 15 minutes of footage of me trying to turn out this one loop. I even tried the whole safety pin shit. It was awful. I couldn't do it. Eventually, I took the straw from the coffee I was drinking and pushed it through the other section of the straw. I don't know. It worked, and I made so many of these, and it was so tedious and I hated every second of it, just to find out that I didn't like it. So I made this little picture panel and I sewed it into the dress and then put a zipper in it. I don't know.
Good morning. It is 6 a.m. It's just a real shock. But I've been trying to figure out what I should do for this dress. I had added that panel in last night with a zipper, and what I found that I had originally added the panel to, it goes down this far, and my zipper doesn't reach that. So what I think I'm gonna do is take the panel out, because I know I'm not gonna wear it if it's hard to take off. So I'll just put in the work needed to make it work out. It's the next day. I've added interfacing on the back so that it doesn't bulge as much as it did. And all that I need to do now is hem it and put lace on it. And then shoot the reveal. So, see you then.